Hello, everyone. It's me, Fasayo, and I'm here with the World Cultural Events and celebrations for the week of December 7th to December 13th. Monday, December 8th, is the Feast of the Immaculate Conception, a Christian holiday that celebrates the belief that the Virgin Mary was conceived without original sin, which prepared her to be the mother of Jesus. Tuesday, December 9th, is the International Day of Veterinary Medicine, which celebrates and appreciates the vital work done by veterinarians all over the world. Thank you to all of our vets for keeping our pets healthy and happy. Wednesday, December 10th, is Nobel Prize Day. This day recognizes individuals for their outstanding contributions to humanity's progress. The Nobel Prize is one of the highest honors and achievements that can be earned in various fields: physics, chemistry, physiology, medicine, literature, peace, and economics. Thursday, December 11th, is the last quarter of the moon, which can be seen at 3:52 p.m. The last quarter represents a time of reflection and release. Be sure to look out for it. Friday, December 12th, is the Feast of Our Lady Guadalupe, a Christian holiday that commemorates the Virgin Mary's apparition to St. Juan Diego in Mexico, 1531. Happy holidays to those who celebrate. And that's all for the World Cultural Events and celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Pasalo, and I'll see you next time.